The recent cabinet changes won't put a dent on Singapore's efforts at tackling COVID-19 and bringing its economy back on track. Mr. Lee says he is confident those appointed to new roles will get up to speed quickly and the work of the multi-ministry task force will continue unhindered. Lee Hsien Loong with more.
We do contact tracing, we do testing.
He's a familiar face at Singapore's numerous news conferences by the COVID-19 task force. Gan Kim Yong has been the country's health minister for nearly a decade. But soon, he'll have to keep things healthy elsewhere. As trade and industry minister, it will be Mr. Gan's duty to nurse the economy back to a full recovery. And the Prime Minister is sure he's up to it.
And Kim Yong comes to MTI having previously been MOM minister, having previously served in MTI as a junior civil servant when I was MTI minister back in '88, I think. And in between, he had spent more than a decade, 16 years in the private sector, which I think is valuable experience for anybody who becomes MTI minister. So I am sure that the investors will look at this and will, if they don't know Kim Yong by now, from the MTF, if they read his CV, I have no reason to doubt that they will maintain full confidence in Singapore.
Meantime, Mr. Lee says the fight against COVID-19 won't be affected by the cabinet reshuffle. For instance, only one multi-ministry task force co-chair will be new, and that is Mr. Gan's post, which goes to Ong Ye Kung. The other co-chair is still Lawrence Wong. The soon-to-be manpower minister is Tan See Leng, and he has been working on the dormitory situation since winning the 2020 general election. Before that, Dr. Tan was a businessman from the healthcare industry. The PM expects them to work closely with each other.
I expect all of them to work closely together and cooperate to make sure that the policies are well coordinated and nothing slips through the cracks. That's how the team has to work. And that's how the whole cabinet has to work. Because people must know that you're working, doing this as part of a team, and you're doing your part, but at the same time you're covering for one another, so that when a problem comes up, we deal with the problem holistically, and not just each person tackling his piece and leaving gaps in between or overlaps and conflicts between the different ministries.
Dr. Tan takes over from Josephine Teo, who will move on to a fresh role as Communications and Information Minister.